right here duck hunting this morning. Got a great spot, a lot of birds scattered. About to get it done. Welcome to RNL Outdoors.
Great intro.
High adventure.
That one went down. One of those just went down in the woods. All right, 2 mallards down. Hopefully we can find one of them. We got 2, but one fell in the woods. I don't know if he's dead. Folded that wood duck. Got him. I don't think I did.
Oh no!
Got 2 woodies, more coming. Holy cow. I missed another helicopter.
Did you really?
Well, I got the one that I shot. We just got some teal. Gray wing teal. There's some more out there, but I just went and grabbed one. But we're gonna keep hunting. Well, we just shot a neutral rat. Oh, right there. Smoked him. I don't know what it was because it came in fast, but we smoked him. It's raining, but we're relocating to the blind side of the island because the big ducks can't see us because there's no sunlight shining off the water to kind of blind them, I guess. But it's raining. I'm going to pick up the other teal that I shot. And Mike will just pick up his one. But anyway, picking up this teal that I shot. Michael just picked up, I think a teal and a wood duck, I'm not sure. But once we get to the blind, I'll show you all the birds we got. Like this teal right here. Another green wing, but it's been a good morning. It's just really rainy, but sometimes those are the best days. So y'all stay tuned. Mallard, teal, and wood duck. Another teal, and some more coming. Another teal, another wood duck, another wood duck. So far, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ducks, and 2 more over there that we're gonna get when they come out. Here's our strap so far. Just lots of ducks. Unusual for Mississippi this year.
Busted.
Ah, clip.
Sorry.
Of course, when I moved it, I gotta get over it.
Catch him! Catch him! Catch him!
That's how we do.
Of course, when I move the camera, it's the wrong way. Hold him up. Wood duck down. Add him to the group.
Wait for me, mutt.
Bust him. Oh, those mallards got up.
Here's the Nutri-Wrap Michael shot. Nasty suckers.
Tastes like veal.
Back here looking for those two birds. This one's back over here. Blue-winged teal. But there should be a mallard right back here somewhere. I'll find it too. Well, y'all, I got the blue wing picked up. I cannot find the mallard anywhere. But recently, I purchased this thing right here. It's called the Duck Finisher. And I really liked it a lot. Used it on a lot of birds here. This is the last 2 weekends of the season. I've only had it the past 2 weekends because I just ordered it, but I've already used it a ton and I really like it. I like it a lot better than wringing their necks because it's just, I feel like it's a lot more ethical, I guess. But I'm gonna keep looking for this mallard and we'll see if we can find him. Well, maybe it wasn't a mallard. Okay. I just found a wood duck. And just in case I'm gonna sleep, found a wood duck. But that makes a wood duck and a blue wing. So I'm gonna see if there's a mallard in here somewhere. But I'm gonna keep looking. How many ducks did we kill? Alright, well that wraps up today. We got a nice stringer full. And we're gonna keep looking for that one mallard, but if we find him, I'll let y'all know.
We'll go with the blue wing.
That's what I said yesterday. Favorite duck of the day. Blue wing teal.
Uh-huh. A rarity for January.
Yeah, they sure are pretty though. Got all the ducks set up now, but let's just show you the difference in a green wing teal and a mallard, the size of them. I mean, the same species, just different kinds of ducks, but the size difference is just insane to me. But we killed a lot of ducks. We're about to take our pictures, and that's gonna conclude this one. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Hope y'all enjoyed this one, and there should be a lot more videos coming. But hope y'all enjoyed it. I'll see you on the next one.